Hi everyone, it's Christina Daves with this week's Free Publicity Friday PR tip. I want you to be an A-lister in your industry this year. I want you to stand out. One of the things you need to do that to position yourself as an expert or an influencer, you really want to have a media page on your website. You want to have your bio, your purpose, story ideas, maybe list 5. They can all be tweaked. Potential questions to ask you. Not that the media would really use those, but those are just additional story ideas, or you might give a reporter an angle. Put your headshot on there. Put any other media that you've had. Media begets media. If they see you've already been vetted by the media as an expert, it makes it easier for them to give you the yes. So start positioning yourself. If you don't have any media yet, put everything else in there. You know, the questions, the bio, everything about you. Make yourself look like the expert that I know that you are. So that is this week's tip. Please join our PR challenge if you haven't already. It's 10 days. I go through everything you need to land in the media. It's really that simple. It's at yourprchallenge.com, and I will see you in the challenge, and then I'll see you in the media.